My sister and I are going to use cookie cutters to cut out some cookie dough. These cookies are actually for our puppy. They're his treats. The first thing that you need to do is wash your hands. We just washed our hands, so now we are ready. We also rolled out our cookie dough, so now we can start with our cookie cutters. I'm gonna do a llama.
I'm gonna do an owl.
What you want to do is find a spot close to the end of your cookie dough and then press down and wiggle it just a little bit with 2 hands. Then you can move the cookie dough to the sides and then lift up, and then here's your cookie. Now we can roll it back out a little bit using 2 hands on the rolling pin. Alright, let's pick new cookie cutters. Putting the cookie cutter close to the edge and wiggle. It's okay if you get some flour on yourself. That's okay. It just washes out. Use 2 hands when you press down. And then move the other cookie dough away from your cookie cutter.
Maybe we should roll it out again.
That's a good idea. I agree. I'm going to put it all in the middle. And then use some flour. You can sprinkle a little bit of flour on the top of our cookie dough. And then use 2 hands with our rolling pin to roll it out. It looks good from this side, but then we also have to turn it and roll this way. Try to get it so that the cookie dough is like the same level of thickness. Then we can start again by putting our cookie cutter close to the edge, pressing in with 2 hands, and wiggling it just a little bit. I need a lion. Keep going until you have used up all of your cookie dough. Then make sure to have a parent help you with the oven. We cannot put things in the oven by ourselves. A parent has to do it. Have fun!